Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace an engine air filter on this 2014 Honda Odyssey. So if you have 2014 to 2011 to 14, same procedure. This is the part number for this particular vehicle. If you have the same setup and your engine air filter looks something similar to this, it's going to be the same part number. It's a very simple job. You shouldn't have to pay like 60-70 bucks to change this filter. 1 clip, 2 clip, and 3 clips, and this harness, don't worry about it. But you have successfully just opened up the whole air filter housing, and your filter in here simply just slides out. If you want, just try to get this harness to loosen up for you a little bit. And you know what, let's go back. And I don't want to damage this harness here. I think we're gonna have to work with it because we might damage it taking it out. But this thing comes right out very easily. Okay, now it's stuck. I'm with one hand, but with 2 hands it should be much easier, so you can hold it up like that. And with 1 hand it's a little difficult because the clip is gonna get into it. But there's your filter. All right, so we're gonna put in a new filter. And the new filter, just make sure it looks the same. Should have got it out of the box beforehand. All right, there goes the box. So same position. We're gonna put this filter in that direction. So it only goes one way. If you put it the other way around, it's gonna be wrong. But you might wanna look in there if there's any dirt, debris. I don't see nothing in this one, like leaves and stuff, clean it out. But other than that, just take this filter, it slides right in like a piece of cake. All right, after that, you need to reverse the procedure. You need to pay attention to these back. There's 2 of them, 1 on each side. Get those little lips in there. You might have to push on the neck here. And once you do that, everything just sits. And bam, this clip goes in. You're gonna grab that clip, smack it on your hair clip, and this one right here, same procedure. They go right on. All right. I did this under 3 minutes, okay? Under 3 minutes, and you can do it. And do not disconnect this cable. Do not have the car on, and try not to yank it. Anyways, you should do this every 15,000 miles. Also change the cabin filter, which I will be making a video on how to do a cabin filter on this Honda Odyssey.